All right, all right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another session of live trades with Dre. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today is Thursday, December 11th. It's 1 minute before market open, but looking at their news released this week, or today for this week, we just have unemployment claims that happen at 5:30 on the U.S. dollar side. That's all we're pretty much paying attention to. Got nothing else to wait for, so without further ado, let's jump into it. Alright, so starting on the daily chart, we're starting to form this little doji candle respecting this inversion for value gap here on NASDAQ. Already took out previous day's low. Not sure if we'll move any higher, so if anything, I might be anticipating a sweep of London lows here. Same thing on ES, forming a doji, respecting this inversion gap as well as this bullish for value gap, this blue box here. So don't expect much higher, but would love to see a shift lower and take out London lows. Wow, so ES and NASDAQ have a bearish weekly candle, whereas Dow Jones, it has a bullish weekly candle. Dow Jones might actually try to go near all-time highs today, also respecting its inversion gap. We're at already taking out London highs. Prices just flying. Don't really see much of an entry for me, just with the model I use. So, and my dog needs to go outside of the bathroom. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. So I was looking at the 1 hour chart. NASDAQ overnight, we traced a little bit into this range. I believe we reached equilibrium, which is just 50% of this range. We have it, we're actually above it. So in my mind, we should be able to see potentially price go lower today. Although it is weird that Dow is moving higher. Yes, it's kind of flat, kind of Peter pattern around. We do have this 1 hour bullish for value gap that's being respected. On NASDAQ, something to keep an eye on. Yes, same thing. Have this higher one. 1 hour bullish for value gap. Could hold price up. Dow, I mean, it's just booming. I would have loved to catch that, but I just don't see a clear entry for me. But I think eventually Dow comes back to sweep this. I mean, look at this, just smoothness. Price loves smoothness. But I definitely want to target London lows. Just gotta wait till 6:45. That's my rule. I hope it does not reach there before then. Hope and pray. But I think London lows is a viable target today. Honestly, Dow, these smooth lows, wouldn't be surprised if we see it shift lower. Honestly, if we invert this for value gap here, I try to go short. So you go like that. Short there, stop at the high, and just target these lows here. And get a nice 2-to-1 action. All right, let's take a look at the regular trading hours here and get a read. Oh man, a major gap lower. So we closed up here and we opened all the way down here. So honestly, since I want to go short, I want to see price either move up to either this 25 level or 50% level and get a short lower from there. And then if we go above this purple line, we'll close strongly through it. I'll look for maybe to take out these highs. Yeah, same thing. So we closed up here and opened down there. So close here and then open right here, right? Because this is a, oh my bad. Opened up here. It's a bearish candle. So open here and then move down. Same thing. Opened up here, right? Since it's a bearish candle, opened up here, move down. So close, open. And Dow, man. It said, yeah, there's a gap there. I don't care. Peace out. So with this information, let's go back to electronic trading hours. See how we're looking. See how we're cooking. Yeah, so honestly, I think, yeah, price will want to move up towards these old highs, take out consequent encroachment. I think that's a viable long opportunity. Honestly, I'll be shocked if it doesn't work, and I think I might take that. Oh man, that's looking kind of textbook. If we get an inversion here of this gap, I want to see this get turned into a 1-minute bullish for value gap. When we do that, I'll go along at 636, stop at the low, and then target consequent encroachment 715. Not a bad risk to reward there. Kind of a wider stop than I usually like. So I might just try to, there you go. I'll go make me some coffee. Man, it is so cold. Mm-mm. What was this thing? Whatever. Hey, dude. I don't want to catch another one so bad. I just can't believe how opposite indices are moving right now. Just no entry. Bruh. Actually crazy. Dang it, man. Let's go to London Lows. Wish I could catch it. Honestly, if we invert this 5 minute, everybody get out. Might take that. Stop at the high. Honestly, just targeting these lows. That'll be cash money. Still like that R to R, man. Oh, sorry. Target, bro. No. That's what hurts. I'm not gonna lie. Call the target and just took off without me. But that's trading. Setups are like different buses at the bus stop. Just gotta wait for the next one. If you miss one, just wait for the next one. They come around like hotcakes. Yeah, it's the Red Sea. Very top heavy on S&P. Green with the smaller stocks, but like I said, it's top heavy. Ooh, NASDAQ, Red Sea, Dow Jones. Top half, top heavy is red, but the smaller stocks are faring well today. Green. Take a look at Rivian and Tesla. I want to see how these EV stocks are doing. Rivian down bad today. Tesla. Dang, Tesla's at 400. When did that happen? Wow. What was Tesla back when I was in high school? Dang, dude, look at that. Freaking $18 a stock. When I graduated high school in May 2016, Tesla was 16 bucks. Can you believe that? I wish I would have gifted myself some Tesla stock and just over there just added. Oh my gosh. Wow. But that could be the thing with Rivian. Who knows? Anyways, let's not lose sight of the mission here. NASDAQ. Take out London lows. It's unfortunate we didn't catch anything, but it's the nature of the beast. Gotta learn to live with it. Here we are. 1 hour inversion gap on ES about to happen. Already took out London lows. ES wants to do the same. Dow Jones starting to really dump as well. What? What it was? Mm-hmm. Like I want to go short on ES. I just don't like how wide the stock would be. Like just wait, bro. Stop. Give me a chance. Dang it, dude. Called it. London lows was the target. Just freaking moved too fast without us. It's unfortunate, man. It's just nothing. Oh, snap. Let's try Dow shorts. Let's actually wait till 7 a.m. Yeah, let's wait till 7 a.m. hits. I got a weird feeling that this is just a fake out. Is there a chance that it comes actually all the way to London lows? Maybe. Clarity equals certainty. And for me, it's not super clear yet if I want to do that. I'm gonna wait till 7 a.m. candle opens. Maybe. What's going on with my live stream, bro? Okay, so apparently OBS Studios wants to bug out on me for whatever reason. But I think we're back now, so whoever is tuning in, appreciate you guys watching. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Hopefully OBS Studio don't be bugging. Okay, so here we are, new hourly candles opening. We have this 5-minute bearish inversion for value gap. Might be interested in seeing that. Be a potential short opportunity. The only reason why I'm not entering right now is because it's a new hourly candle. I want to give it some time to breathe and kind of show its hand on how it might play out. But yeah, just to recap, we're up here at market open, and given we're considerably above London highs and we're respecting this opening range gap, these levels, I was anticipating taking on London lows, but unfortunately price did not provide an entry point for me. I guess looking back on it, there was this potential box that I could have maybe caught a short in. Enter there. There had been a wide stop at the top, targeting London lows. I guess it would have been a two to one, but even then, I wait till 6:45 to take trades, which is right here. And once we got to this point, I mean, price just dumped. There was nothing for me to take. So you learn to live with it and move on. I mean, look at this. Price had actually tapped into this inversion gap. That's crazy. Before going to these lows. That would have been actually a beautiful trade, but that's too tight of a stop. I wouldn't have done that. All right, man, looks like this trade actually might have worked. Honestly, I don't really trade Dow, so I'm kind of skeptical. Just I'm not too familiar with it compared to yes, the Nasdaq, which they're literally all stock indexes, so it's not huge of a difference. But it's just the familiarity of Nasdaq. I feel more comfortable trading on there as opposed to Dow Jones. So I'm not gonna force myself into a trade. but I would like to see these AM session lows get taken. But another reason why I'm skeptical about shorting Dow Jones is because NASDAQ and ES are starting to kick higher. So whenever we see that, makes it a little harder to look for shorts. So this is a bearish inversion gap now. Now, if price decides to trade through this 5-minute bearish value gap, I might go long and just target new high a day, consequent encroachment of this opening range gap, call it good. So we'd come through it and then probably try to get tapped in at 545. Target be these highs, just below consequent encroachment. We'll go 710. And then stop. Could either be at the low of the inversion gap or whatever candle trades through it, we can put it at that low, whether it's above or below. But for now, we'll just put it at 500, the whole number. And yeah, that'd be a 3.67 risk to reward ratio. So I love that. So I'm gonna wait for that to happen. Set my alert for when we get above consequent encroachment of that 5-minute fair value gap. In case I'm not watching it. But yeah. See? I'm glad I did not take this short. It's not looking that interesting anymore. This is 1-minute bearish. You know, maybe this short does work, but I'm a little skeptical. Yeah. I'm glad I'm not in this trade. It'd be stressing me out. All eyes go to you, NASDAQ. See how you want to act. So consequent encroachment is at 528, just about. The high is at 555. So I think 545 is a good fill. Looks like we might get there pretty quick. So let's see if we try to set a buy stop there. Or a buy limit, sorry. What if oh, I really need some coffee, huh? 25710. 500. Yeah, it might take this long here. I really love how on the regular trading hours you have this open gap. Like price loves to fly and fill these gaps. So I think that's my strongest confirmation of price right now. See, that short would have gotten stopped out. I'm glad I did not enter that trade. Just wasn't sitting right with me with how high ES and Nasdaq were moving. Prefer them to be in sync. No Justin Timberlake. 24,710. It is so cold, bro. What is going on? Come on, let me see an inversion, baby. Swept letting lows. We're gonna go towards opening range gap. I'll take out some highs. Go get some coffee. Y'all watch that for me, please. There it is. There's the inversion. Yeah. I like my mug. It's the Grinch mug. The Grinch. Okay. Now, I'm just scared it's not going to come back, but if it doesn't, oh well. It's the name of the game. So I'll buy a limit there. You know what? I should probably wait. Let me get this candle to actually close above. Which I think it will, but if it doesn't close above, I won't want to be long yet. I might add to my position here. We have 510. Come on, 15 seconds. Stay above that. Everybody got no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Do it. Oh, is it really gonna do that? Come on. So close. Wow. We'll see. Yeah, if price reaches this area, I might add to my position for that last. What would that be? That'd be like the last 43 points. We're in. All right. I'll show you what happens. Stops me out, stops me out. I'll live with it. But honestly, we do have this bullish for very good. I might just retrace into it. Dang it, it is. That's on me, bro. Why didn't I see this before? We got this bullish for very good right there. So there's a chance price actually taps into it. Just fine if it does. I'm hoping it's just a breakaway gap and it doesn't want to come back into it, but you never know. But as far as draw liquidity goes, I mean, I think this opening range gap is begging to get filled. Just a matter of when. Got it? I mean, like, come on. Get there. Yeah, once we get to 560, I'll add. Mm-hmm. All right, 2 contracts. I ran down there and move my stop loss. House. My bad, my average glitch. So 670 to 710. What is that? Oh, 3 points. We'll see. The only thing I don't like about scaling in and adding more is that if it does come back, my loss is just about doubled, maybe even tripled. And with profit, I'm trading that is not efficient. So we'll see. So far, trade looking good. Really little to no drawdown. I'm hoping price should just turn over really quick and move towards target. Guess we'll wait and see. But yeah, once we get to 670, I'll add. So yeah, once we close above there, this red line, once we reach this red line, I'll scale in. Don't really like doing that though. Yeah, let me not scale in. Let me just, yeah, look at that. So after taking a loss yesterday, so far this trade's got me back in a profit. See if we reach full target. I think this draw liquidity is so strong though. Like I really wanna. Oh man, yeah. Right out that. Okay. Let's go one. Mm, let's not. Let's not do it. Let's not do it. If I don't feel that piece scaling it, I won't do it. But the draw liquidity is so strong. I want to be able to maximize my profits. Let's ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is pretty much my business partner at this point, with all the back and forth I be doing. ChatGPT recommends it. It gave me a nice little strategy. Okay, so when is Nasdaq gonna reach that? That's gonna improve me, bro. It's down now at all-time highs. It is. Okay, baby boy just woke up. Let me go get him out of his crib. I'll come back, and while I'm walking, I'll consider how I want to scale in if I do at all. Considering moving my stop to break even, but I think it's a safe thing to do just because ES and Dow already reached those targets. MNQ's lagging. Like how? Maybe to break even, or at least to a tighter stop. I don't know. What are you gonna do, DeAndre? What are you gonna do? I'm gonna get this some y'all. Watch this chart for me, please. Alright, so it looks like this trade's starting to come back on me. Um, hmm. Dow is at all-time highs again. Ooh, could play this inversion, yeah. Right there. Would have been golden. Come on, now, Bizzle. Go hit that opening range gap for the one time, bruh. Okay, if I do skill in, I want to skill in where there's strength. I don't want to add to weakness. I want to add to strength. All right, I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes and then I'll go get ready for work. But yeah, this is an interesting trade. Dow's booming higher. ES is slowly matriculating up, and Nasdaq is showing signs of weakness. Don't like how we are respecting this 15-minute bearish for value gap. Quite honestly, I want to see us trade through that. Then maybe scale in at 640, 25, 640, another one at 670. Yeah, this trade looks like it's not gonna work, but I'm gonna just sit on my hands and let my stop loss do its job. This trade has so much promise. We were up almost 2-1 at one point. Started to come back, but like I said, that's the nature of the game. I'll accept the outcome. Live to trade another day. But yeah, honestly though, we swept London lows and highs, but once we got to this low, got some displacement up. This inversion gap could be a potential entry point if we do come into this bullish right gap. I really could use some help from ES and Dow. I need them to continue to move up. Add some strength to MNQ. Let's hide everything. I don't think this trade's gonna work, but or I think it'll eventually work. It's just gonna stop me out before. Let's see what happens. I gotta get ready for work though, so I'll give it 2 minutes and then I'll just leave the chart on for you guys to watch. Come on, NASDAQ. Why are you gonna lag like that, bro? Down ES flew up. You wanna just stay put, don't you? I mean, I guess technically a fly, but just not as high as I would like it to. I mean, hey, I guess, in the 1 minute did provide opportunities to get long. This inversion gap right there, right here, even right here, my goodness. Yeah. Oh well. It's not over till it's over though. So I'm gonna let, like I said, my stops do its job. They don't want to tell us anything. But I'm also glad I didn't scale because I would have trailed my stop loss to break even and would have gotten stopped out. I would have been too scared to enter the trade again, but we'll see. I'll let it do its thing, bro. Let it do its thing. All right. I'm gonna go get ready for work, y'all. But I'm gonna let this trade do its thing. So enjoy this full screen chart view while I get ready. See what happens. I'm feeling a little pessimistic on this trade. I don't think it's gonna work out, but we'll see. I'm gonna let my stop loss do its job. Peace. Oh, appreciate you tuning in. Hope you all have a beautiful and blessed day. Thank you for tuning in to Live Trades with Dre. Till next time. Well, dang, that didn't take long. Turned my back for 2 seconds. Came against me. Well, that's a loss on the day. I'm gonna call it a day. A little bit of a frustrating day just because the market opened. I was anticipating letting low, but it had moved too fast without me. And then once we got this move higher, I was anticipating a move to this consequent encroachment, this opening range gap. ES and Dow Jones had no problem moving higher, but NASDAQ was lagging, so it's unfortunate. But anyways, that'll end this stream. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.